Hello, friend. We are going to learn about micro teaching. Here we discuss the questionnaire type of micro teaching on topic honeybee facts. For that, I would like to thank the director, Dr. Rapi sir, at UGC HRDC Center, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Then course coordinator, Dr. Kalyan Shijule sir, the refresher course in biological science and technology. Myself, Vilas Jivtode. See these questions. We start from question number one. From which insects we get honey? See this. From which insect we get honey? Answer is honeybees. Honeybees is the insect from which we get honey. Not only honey, we get wax, royal jelly, propolis. Then all these products we obtain from this honeybees. Next question is, you know the food of honeybees? Yes. The answer is pollen and nectar. This pollen, nectar is used as a food for honeybees. Then if we see the larval stages, this pollen is used to prepare the bread, and this bread is used as a food for larval stages of honeybees. Then third question is, tell me the name of honeybee house. The answer is hive. Yeah, we call colony of honeybee. In hive, in colony of honeybee, the members of honeybees, this member of honeybee live in this hive. We call this the honeybee house. Next, how many members are present in honeybee house? In honeybee house, there are three members. This is the polymorphism. Three different form are present in honeybee house. In hive, these are in three members: the queen, workers, and drones. This queen is mostly in a one number in a colony. In a colony, one queen is present, but in different species of honeybee, there are two or three queens are also present. Then this is the worker. These workers, 5,000 to 6,000 workers are present in hive, and then the drones. Next question is, what are the female in hive? We know there are three members in honeybee house: queen, worker, and drone. Of these, the question is, what are the female in hive? See this, queen and workers are the female in hive. This queen and workers. And third member is drone. This drone is a fertile male. Next question is, what is the role of queen bee in hive? These three members perform the different duties in hive. You see here the question is, what is the role of queen bee in hive? This queen bee lay eggs, and with the help of pheromone, it controls the colony. That's why we call this queen bee is a mother of colony. Next question is, write the name of sterile female in beehive. We know in colony there are two females. One is queen and one is worker. uh, Queen bee lay eggs, means queen bee is a fertile female. Now the remaining is worker. That's why here the answer is worker. Worker is a sterile female in beehive. Next question is, where is the bee basket located? We know the honeybee collect the pollen in a basket, bee basket. This bee basket located in hind legs. We know the insects have a three pair of legs, like honeybees have three pair of legs: prolegs, mesolegs, and hind legs. So in hind legs, both hind legs, there is a basket, pollen basket, in which bee collect the pollen. So this is the correct answer is hind legs. Next question is, which members sting in honeybee colony? We know there are three members: queen, drone, and worker. Of these, the worker is a sterile female. Means what? In worker, the reproductive organ converted into the sting, and that's why in colony, under unfavorable condition, when enemies enters in colony, that time the worker be sting to the enemies. Means the answer is workers is a member which sting in honeybee colony. Next question is, where is the sting apparatus located? We know worker bee sting the enemies. So this sting apparatus located at the last abdominal segment. The next question is, what happened about drone when it mates with queen? We know there are two members, queen and drones are fertile, and when they undergoes the reproduction, undergoes the mating, we call this is the nuptial flight, a marriage flight. That time when the drones copulate with queen, that time after completion of copulation, drone falls underground and die. The reason behind this, when after copulation, when he tried to escape from queen, that time the copulatory organ of drone become cut, and due to this reason drone dies. Now next is, how many days members of honeybee live in colony? So this is depends on the environmental condition. If environmental condition is favorable, then the days living days is high, more. If we see the queen live about 4 to 5 years in a colony, then worker 4 to 5 weeks, and drone 2 to 3 months. Next, what is the swarming in honeybee? This is the natural reproduction. Swarming, when the one colony is divided into the two colonies, that this is the swarming. So this is the natural reproduction when virgin queen with some worker left the colony, settle on a favorable site, and produce a new colony. So this is the swarming. Next question is, can honeybee eyes different from human eyes? Yes. Honeybee eyes, honeybee have a compound eyes. Okay, means this compound eyes consist of a number of small eyes. We call this the ommatidia. These ommatidia form a combined image. Okay, so yes, the honeybee eyes is different from human eyes, because human eyes are simple eyes, and honeybee have compound eyes. All insects have a compound eyes. Next question is, how many members in colony communicate with each other? How members communicate in with each other? So we know the honeybee is unable to speak, but it communicate with the dancing. It perform the waggle dance, round dance. Okay, so through this dancing, these members communicate in colony. Then pheromones is also used for communication. Next is, what are the importance of honeybee to us? Honeybee to us. Honeybee play important role as it acts as a pollinator, good pollinators. Then from honeybees, we obtain a lot of product like honey, wax, propolis, royal jelly, etc. Now next is somewhat difficult question. What are the different type of workers found in colony according to their duties? This the workers perform the large number of duty in colony, different type of duties in colony. Some workers act as a nurse bee, means which nurse the larvae. Some workers act as a guard bee, which guard the colony, which protect the colony from enemies. Some workers act as a fanner, which under yeah, in summer condition, which cool the colony by fanning the wings. Then forager, this forager play important role. This forager go outside the colony, collect the pollen, nectar. Okay, so this is the forager bees. Then construction workers, some workers help in construction of colony, gap filling like this. So this is the construction worker. And undertaker means the worker which remove the dead larvae, dead enemies from colony. This is the undertaker worker. So these are the different workers in colony perform the different duties. Thank you.